What it do, foodies? Welcome back to Kaye's Kitchen. Listen, today I'm so excited. I'll be making one of my most favorite dishes. It's my coconut crusted salmon. All right, so I'm going to show you how I bread my salmon, and then I'll have it in the oven on 350 degrees for maybe about 30 minutes. I'll check it, and then if it's still not done yet, I'll go like another 15 minutes. But like I say, it's one of my most favorite dishes. It's going to be flaky. It's going to be just a touch of sweetness from the coconut flakes that I'll be using in it. So just stay tuned, guys, and you'll see how I do it. But first of all, you know how I like to start out with some wine. Today I'm going to be doing the Hogue. And this is going to be the late harvest Riesling that I'll be drinking today. So let's go ahead and pour our wine, foodies. We should be closer than friends. All right, foodies. So like I said, we're going to be making some coconut crusted salmon. First part of it is I'm going to bread it with my flour, just regular all-purpose flour. Then next you're going to see me dip it into the coconut milk. And then after that, I'm going to put it inside the panko, as well as I have coconut flakes that's mixed in one bowl together. So that's the flour, the coconut milk, and then the panko along with the coconut flakes, right? Then I'll put those on some foil pans, and then I'll put them in the oven 350 degrees for about 30 minutes, like I said, and I'll go back and I'll check it to see if it's done or if I need to leave it in there for a little longer. Let's get cooking. Open up, tell you out for ball, let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up, open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN. Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Hey foodies, so you've seen how I breaded my salmon. Now I'm getting ready to put it in the oven, my 350 degree oven, for about 30 minutes like I said. I'll come back and I'll check it after 30 minutes to see if it was ready to come out. If not, I'll just keep it in there and just keep checking it, all right? Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. Hey foodies, welcome back. This is my finished product. I have my coconut crusted salmon. I have some fried shrimp along with some green beans and some macaroni and cheese. This is Jasmine joining me tonight. So guys, I hope you guys like this recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Open up.